Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make mutton liver or maini ya mbuzi, and it's going to be very delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to place a pan over medium heat, add cooking oil, and once the oil is hot, I'm going to add in my liver. So I washed my liver, then I peeled the membrane and added a little bit of milk because the maini is not a lot. That is to remove any toxins in the liver. So that's, I've already done that, so I've not shown you. I'm just trying to explain. After around 1 minute, I'm going to stir in my liver. While my liver is cooking, I'm going to be adding a few spices which you're going to find down in the description box. So I have some cumin, garlic powder, turmeric, black pepper, paprika, and 2 seasoning cubes. So I'll add some black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, a little bit of turmeric, cumin, and a seasoning cube. Stir in the spices. At this point, my liver looks so delicious. You'll be tempted to have some at this point with your ugali because, oh my god, this looks delicious. Notice the change of color. That is from the turmeric and paprika. And also the spices have added a lot of flavor. So to my pan, I'm going to add in 1 onion. I'm using a white onion and garlic and ginger, which is crushed. And then I'm going to stir in. Let the onions cook while absorbing the flavors from the spices. This is after 1 minute and my onions have softened up, so I'm going to add in 3 diced tomatoes. I'm going to add in a pinch of sugar just to reduce the acidity of the tomatoes because there are a lot. Stir in, and then I'll give this about a minute or 2. After a while, my tomatoes are well cooked, so I'm going to add in a little bit of water so that my liver can cook through. If you've never had mutton liver, it's usually so good and very tender. So there's no need to cook for so long because it's already soft. But I'm going to give mine about 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. I'm also going to be checking the seasoning because you need your liver to be well seasoned. And it is just perfect. This is how my liver is looking after 2 minutes, and notice that the soup or the gravy has reduced and now it's thick, and I've not added any cornstarch. Stir, and then I'm going to turn off the cooker, and let me tell you, this looks so delicious. I'm going to be pairing mine with ugali. Definitely it's ugali because the liver and ugali pair so well. So thank you so much for watching until the end of the video, and let me tell you, just try out this recipe and you're surely going to enjoy. Catch you on my next episode. Bye.